Hi everyone. So let's start building a simple example use case. So this is the message start. Okay, and here we are going to use this gateway, and this gateway is going to call these different events. Okay, let's do this. Change this to the message start, message end event. Okay, here we are going to have multiple conditions. This will also be a message end event. This will be message and event. Right now we can do multiple things. This is a start, and here you can define the expression. See, same kind of expression we have defined here. Okay, let's say I want to do execute one particular BPMN, and here we are talking about simple examples, right? So let's say here I'm saying test, or let's say weather. Here I'm executing something else which is about publishing the news, and here something about the politics. Okay, these can be independent BPMNs, and based on these conditional flows we are executing. This is a default gateway. Okay, you can also, I mean, you can do a lot of things here. You can have a service task, and that service task can give you some data. Based on that, this will decide, okay, what needs to be done. Here we can attach a service task, or you can populate that data directly by calling this BPMN. You can say collect action. That will decide, okay, what action you wanted to take, and this is a service task which will be external. Okay, and this is, let's say, action, or let's say define action. Okay, this is my topic. Based on the define action we are going to populate this type variable, and based on the type we are going to execute these independent BPMNs. Let's say this is the message end event. So here the implementation will be external. Just say it should be expression. Okay, and here what expressions we are putting, the data, if you wanted to send some data while calling this, but we don't have a data. Let's keep it like this, and here which BPMN you are going to execute. Okay, so I will just populate the same ID, and here we have, let's say we are executing this BPMN, so this will be converted as a message start event. Zoom this one, and we don't need it. We might need it. Here it is going to check for the holiday and will populate some data for us, and here it is going to return a boolean, is holiday or is not holiday, right? So this is BPMN, and here this is our parent. Here we are deciding which BPMN we are going to call. So I will just say this is like a holiday check. Okay, and here also we will just keep it as, instead of weather, holiday check. If type is holiday check, let me save it. It's popping up every time. Okay, this is saved. This is also saved. So this is our parent. Now type is holiday check. It is going to execute this BPMN, and we have this we have to put a particular message name, right? So it is holiday check. We'll save it. This should also be a holiday check. So this is our initiator. Check, the name should be holiday check. This is fine. Now we can do a lot of other things also. Type news. So there can be another BPMN which is handling news. If there is no particular match found, then we can delegate this to the user task also. Directly end this. So this is user task. If nothing is getting matched, it will directly delegate to this particular one. So currently we are, I mean, you can create independent workflow, that is plain and simple. Here we are talking about this particular thing. We are passing the type holiday check, and this is going to execute this particular BPMN, and whatever the data we have, it is going to pass down to the holiday check. And this is our holiday check BPMN message start event. Okay, we can just put a holiday check, and then this is a topic, right? So what we can do here is, this is external, and the topic can be holiday check. I think we have only this collect action. So now we have two external tasks, this one and this one, and based on that, this is deciding okay where to go. And what we will do is, now let's do this practically. We'll deploy these two BPMNs, and we will configure these external tasks also through the Node JavaScript client. We will populate some variables while this is being executed. We will send type holiday check. This will call this particular BPMN, and then this particular service task will return us some data like is holiday. Then it will either go here or either go here. Okay, let's see that in the practical in the next video. Thanks everyone.